Follow me good. Put me on watch not. Yo.
Ashes to ashes.
Dust to dust. But me want you care more you put me on the YouTube. Just me get one woman. From America, England, Canada, Jerusalem. Just video it. Put me on the answer. Me have my own house.
Alright, welcome again everyone, and of course thanks for joining. And today just hear me out on this. If you have just watched that video earlier, you realize that Rastaman was very sweet in terms of his demand for a woman, and there are oftentimes they get women but don't know how to treat them. And it's just sad to know that cases like these, this lady is 50 years old and she was killed and buried in her own yard. This face that is coming up, I think this is probably the most recognizable face in all of Jamaica, but we need to somehow re-educate our population how to love each other, especially how a man should treat a woman, because I think this is one of the soft skills that has been left off in our evolution as modern Jamaica. Because when you look at how men sometimes talk about how they want to treat a woman or how they think a woman should be treated, you see that there's a great disconnect between what they know or probably what they don't know and what they should practice. Because if we take a look around, women are the majority in terms of university enrollment. Women have now broken into almost every job in our Jamaican society. So I know that for a fact that women are very strong, and violence against women is nothing new to the Caribbean, it's nothing new to Jamaica. It's all over. It's in Trinidad, it's in St. Lucia, but here in Jamaica, I just believe that we as a society need to do better and not just come up with stop the violence and just put it up now, but we really need to start re-educating from an early age how a man should treat a woman, because many men don't know how to treat a woman. I know that we all know how to start a relationship, but one of the hardest things is to control yourself when you do enter a relationship. So this news broke out on this Easter Saturday. This poor young lady was in an argument with her boyfriend, and unfortunately the argument got so heated that he did this, stabbing her multiple times, and she bled to her death. And the young man you're seeing here now literally turned himself into the police, even still wearing his bloody clothes. So when you do look at it, people, it seems like there is something wrong with our thinking, and I know we are a very violent society, and so a program is needed to re-educate this nation on how to live, to love, and just to grow together. Because trust me, we have a lot of broken people walking around here in Jamaica, and of course we have a lot of emotionally unstable persons, and I think education is the way we can do to stop incidents like these. So we need to start praying, and we need to start having a national debate in how we can not only solve crime like this, but crime on a whole. So people, until next time, be good, be safe, and of course, let's love each other and live good.